episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. I'm so glad to see you here. I hope you've had a fantastic Monday. Let it be the start of a fantastic week where you're showing up as your most confident self. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I'm a confidence crusader on a mission to help women elevate their confidence, their personal confidence and their business confidence so that they can have more input, influence and impact on their lives, their businesses and the world. So if you feel like you could do with a daily boost of confidence, then consider subscribing to this channel. Today is day 71 and the thought on confidence is something that can be learned. I'll be honest, when I started out on this obsession with confidence, I thought that it was one of those things, one of those character traits that we were either born with or born without. You know, depending on what cards you had been dealt on the day of your birth would determine how confident a person you are, how confident a woman you are. And I've since come to learn that the level of confidence that you are born with is not the level of confidence that you actually have to live with. It's like anything else that when you are growing as a child, as a person, you can develop your affinity for self-confidence. It's like when you were born with all of the mechanisms to be able to sing. You know, your vocal cords and mouth cavity and all of that kind of thing. So you were born with everything you needed to be a singer. But that's not to say that, you know, if you didn't practice your singing voice, that you would become a famous singer. You have to actually work at it and hone the techniques and the skills and the practice of using the tools that you were born with to develop that skill of singing. And so confidence is exactly the same. Sure, there are some people maybe who got a little extra dose of confidence when they were born, and obviously also in your upbringing, things, you know, events and circumstances might impact how your confidence shows up for you now. But as a conscious woman who is choosing to work on her personal development, just know that everything that you want to learn about confidence is possible for you. It just takes practice and effort to hone the skill of being a confident woman. And that's why I went on to develop my Conscious Confidence course, because there are certain techniques and tools that you can use to help hone that skill of being a confident woman. But the point of today's thought is just having that knowledge that it can be learned. Yes, you may not know those techniques right now, but you can learn. The possibility exists for you to become a fae, for you to become comfortable, for you to learn and integrate all of the techniques and tools that will make you a more confident version of you. And that's just a perfect segue into chatting about my upcoming Conscious Confidence workshop that's happening next week, Tuesday, the 20th of March. If you're in the Cape Town area, then I would love for you to join me so that I can teach you some of those techniques, some of those tools, some of those practices that are going to help you tap into that inherent confidence that you were born with, so that you can learn how to use it and how to optimize your confidence so that it shows up for you every single day. And good news, I am actually giving away one spot on that workshop to one lucky winner. I'm running a competition this week. The competition is going to be taking place over on my Instagram account, so look out for a post that has a picture of this flyer, and all the competition details are underneath that post, so you can head on over there. I'll put the link in the description below to make it easy for you to find, and you might be the lucky woman who gets a free spot on that workshop. So go on, enter, and good luck. And of course, if it feels like a yes to you, if your intuition is telling you that it's time that you learn these tools and techniques, then go ahead and sign up to the workshop. And you can still enter the competition. If you've paid for your spot at the workshop and you're the lucky winner, I'll refund you. Just get yourself booked so that your spot is guaranteed, because spaces are limited. Follow your intuition. Listen to what it is telling you. Is it time for you to take your confidence to the next level? I want to be the person to help you do that. And I would love to spend the day with you. And if you're not in the Cape Town area and you can't attend the workshop, don't worry, I've got you covered too. I've now made my book available for sale on my website so that you can get your hands on your very own copy and you can follow along on these videos or at your own pace and start implementing these thoughts. Use them as affirmations, use them as reminders, journal them, use them as journal prompts so that you can really get to that level of awareness of where you are with your confidence. It is a daily practice. It does need daily attention. And that's one of the ways that I teach in my workshop about the daily small actions that you take to elevate your confidence. So if you want one of these, I'll put the link down in the description below so you can get your hands on your very own copy. So that's it for today. I hope you had an aha moment watching this video. Just remember, confidence can be learned, and just knowing that it can be learned should already make you feel more confident. And now it's just about finding those tools, finding those techniques, and putting them into action. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications button. And if there's a woman that you know whose confidence is stopping her from showing up as her most confident self, then please share this video with her. She may not have the confidence to ask for help with her confidence, so you could be doing her the favor by sharing this with her. And I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments down below. What have you learned about confidence that has made you feel more confident? I look forward to reading those aha moments. So that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow, and go out there and be your most confident self.